tuzadukorera IT, right? So I'm in IT department. This is the outfit. And the people start after nzamuka ate imodoka undi mute ntaho. First day co-worker, first day work experience. Hey, this is the outfit Shana by the way. So let's go. Love the experience.
It comes and goes in the blink of an eye. Soon as I swear you've been left behind, all the colors come back so bright. Wish I could keep you in black and white, sort of like a picture in a drawer. I don't wanna look at anymore, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Holding on to someone who's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve and midnight. Taste your lips like not forever. Wish I was back on you, but I still do. Deja vu, deja vu, deja vu. Comes and goes like the pull of a wave. There for a second and down the drain. I'm getting dizzy doing double takes. I'm overseeing you and everything, but it's too hard to ignore that I'll never not feel like yours. Oh no, holding on to someone new's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve and midnight. Taste your lips like not red wine. Wish I wasn't looking back on you, but I still do. Deja vu, deja vu, deja vu. Holding on to someone new, it's the only time I feel like I'm still holding on to you. It's like an instant rewind to New Year's Eve.
So you guys, I'm at my bureau and I'm really excited to work with this people environment here. So I'm really excited by my copy, and yeah, that's all about today. I'm in the office, Harikosha. You guys, yo, like, so yeah, this is the place I'm going to be working here, and yeah, I absolutely fell in love with the place actually, because it's aesthetic pleasing. There are lots of art, lots of pictures on the walls. Oh my gosh, it's really very beautiful. So hopefully I'm going to be working here as an intern, and in God we trust, I hope to also continue with these people. Okay, so as yeah, I don't want to be sitting to finish my what, ntabwo nshaka gusoza amashuri nkicara mu rugo. So that's all about today, and yeah. So you guys, nambaye rinete because I can't see anything by now, and yeah, Can you guys see me? Okay, you can see me. Umva ahangaha barambwiye ngo na machine kandi navuze ngo nzane machine. Sinzi ukuntu byancitse pe. I would have come with machine. Yeah, see how we feel. Okay, wow, hi, na AC. It's very beautiful, that's for sure. So my work experience, this is the day one, and yeah, hope to see more of the beautiful experience of this place, because I'm really excited, that's for sure. I'm really excited and I can't wait to see what this place holds for me. My friend told me that they are being asked some of the questions that about the organization, things like that, and my friend was like, because actually I just know a little bit of this organization board. Yeah, hopefully when they ask me I'll get to see what to say and what to reply, and yeah, mu by'ukuri rero ni umunsi wa mbere and I'm excited. Twaje badufata neza, turinjira tujya muri waiting room, turinda ko nyine basa kudufata n'iki nyine twerekera ahantu dukorera. That's the first thing I loved about this place. It's very organized, very like structured in a good way. So can't wait to see what this place holds for us interns. So yeah, that's pretty much of today, and hope to see you when I have something to tell you. Bye. So yeah, as I was telling you, I'm super excited. This is the below. Hi, Kusha. Over like they're coming. Your first day, they told me that you have to be having machine. Yeah. By the way, there's a machine ariko, since my friend told me that to not come with it, but if you know that you're going to start internship, okay, when you get about you're gonna go muri UR n'abandi bose, make sure you go with your machine. Yeah. So updates, kambereke ahangaha niho nzajya tuzadukorera IT, right? So I'm in IT department, and yeah, I'm going to bagenzi banjye, so I'm waiting them. Bari kuza ariko you are very excited sha. None iyi ntebe ndarenyisha intebe ndayirwaye muri office yanjye mu cyumba kugira ngo nzajye mbona ko nkora edit neza, nkora ama contents neza. So that means yeah, let my abide sekunze mbega outfit yanjye. So maguruke weka mbereke ikibazo rero asene batavuga ati bakaguka bakamubona arahagaze kanje mbereke notre in this is the outfit. Not to kweto. So yeah, this is the outfit. Ndishimye ndakashakoshi kanyibereke marinette. Yeah. So you guys, I'm now going to pick up my nje kuzana pin yanjye ya YouTube channel, cause on hold currently because I didn't verify my address to YouTube. So that's what I'm currently going to do now. And yeah, I go because today I didn't have machine PC, so probably tomorrow I will start by it, and that's of today. Yeah, I'm going to find moto one in ngende kwiposta after nzamuka ate modoka undi ntena. Yeah, that's probably of today, and yeah, see you when we get there safely, fingers crossed. And yeah, how is everybody there doing, by the way? How is everyone there? Yeah, be productive and remember to thank God and remember to be grateful, okay? And yeah, let's keep getting this, keep grinding, and we got this. Guys, you guys know, I was so excited because I don't the second time ngiyeyo kuko bwa mbere nabyishe, and the lady there told me to change the location and write it well, nandika neza nyine ubwo yarije. So naho ngaho umanuka hepfo ukajya kuyizana kuri reception, abantu baho they are so cool, like yeah guys, I really love good service, like beyond everything. So angaho nyine nagiye ntanga izina ryanjye, n'ubundi yari amaze kumenyera ko najyaga buri munsi sinyizane. So ndamubwira guys, ahangaha iyo ugiye kuyizana werekana your ID and bakavuga n'izina ryawe bakakayikurebera, mugatanga 1k, sibyo? Tanga 1000. Yeah, so barayayimpaye aho ngaho, amarayinshakira mva nayo nishimye ko nyine like finally YouTube it has showed me nyine umuhate wanjye AdSense. Ndari nishimye cyane, ndayibika mu gakayi, ubundi ndataha nishimye. So guys, I met a bestie there at the internship place. I am glad that I met people to talk to. Nagabantu bari timid nkuko nabyo expecting aga. They were cool, they are very so cheerful. I had a very great time. So yeah. You guys kamabwire hano we had a very good Labor Day. Reka mbumbije ukuntu uyu muntu azi kuririmba this guy. Oh my goodness. Abantu baho they are so cool. Twarabyinnye. Oh my gosh. Kamaze mbere ko mvuga ukuntu aririmba neza. Guys, turatashe. Ngwino tubavuge ko tutashe. But you guys, we are home. Turatashe. It was fun.
Yeah, it was good, but really fun. But yes, so we have it.
But we had fun. Everything was okay.
So,
Internship is going good.
Intern.
Wow. In Nayeb. It's like, yo, bro. So you guys, last day and bye. Ese kutavuga your last word.
No,
Gasa
this is not my last day at Nayeb.
Yeah.
This is my at least our last day is Friday. So
yeah, tomorrow tuzajya kwibuka twiyubaka. Remember that? Yeah. So you guys, this is the last day and it's the farewell. It's the farewell supervisor wacu turiguriye nawe.
So cute,
so
handsome.
Yeah. So you guys, I think I'm stopping by here. Bye. Girl, say something. Say something, please. Hey.